You love this simple everyday makeup look that's perfect for work, college, or anything else. Leave your foundations, BB creams, and thick bases for special occasions. On an everyday basis, a concealer is going to be your best friend. You don't want to clog your pores with ample makeup and still want an even base? Don't worry, because we've got you. Instead, opt for a concealer that is the same shade as your skin tone and apply it onto any uneven areas or any imperfections you may have on the face. If you want to brighten your under eyes, go in with a concealer that is half or one shade lighter than your skin tone and dot it on. Once you've put on your concealer, set it with a setting spray. Wait a few minutes and then blend it in for a non-cakey coverage. On the high points of your cheeks, make an elongated C with a moisturizer and go in with a pink lip shade in between. Blend this in an upward direction for a blush with a natural dewy finish. Add just a little bit of color to the bridge of your nose and to your chin to give yourself a naturally glowy and flushed look. Eyes are truly a game changer for any look, so focus on your brows and your lashes to amp them up in the most natural way. For the brows, dampen a spoolie with some setting spray, go into a brown eyeshadow and then brush it on for a naturally fuller look. For the lashes, apply your mascara like you normally would and then go in for a second coat on the outer lashes to make them look more defined and elongated. If you want to amp them up even more, add a tiny bit of highlighter or a light shimmery eyeshadow to the inner corner of the eye to open and brighten them up. There is much discussion about the right colors to wear in a professional work environment or even to college. So for a safe and universally accepted lip option, go for a tinted lip gloss. You can make your own custom lip shade by mixing in your favorite lipstick with a sheer gloss. You can either keep it light and natural or use a little bit more lipstick to go for a darker tint. We hope you enjoyed learning this simple, easy, everyday makeup look. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.